How to fix Discord call audio not working on Discord. Today guys I have the solution and I will teach you and share with you how to fix this, just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone. After this go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Discord, and when you found it guys just open it like this, and then go to storage option, then go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget, the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.